Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a fall makeup and I'm also doing fall hair. So if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. And also if you're new to my channel, check me out and subscribe. So yeah, let's jump right into this. Alright, so I have my eyes based with the Louise Eyebase. Next I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Sugar Cone. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Delicious, and it damn near matches my shade, y'all. So I'm going for like a fall look, so hopefully I can pull this off. Next I'm going to go in with the shade Toasted, which is this shade right here. I just want to darken up my eye area. Alright, so next I'm going in with Homemade, which is this chocolate shade right here. And I also got a smaller blending brush because I want it to only be in a certain area. Alright, so I did both of my eyes, but I still want this brown to be even deeper. So I'm going to go in with the Jackie Aina ABH palette. I'm going to use Credit, which is this shade right here. So hopefully it can give me the darkness that I'm looking for. Right, so I applied that shade to both my eyes. Next I think I'm going to go in with Delicious. No, I'm going to go in with, yes, Delicious. And I'm just going to cover up this white part. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I'll be right back because this is going to take me a minute.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. Eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it end, it end, it end, it end. Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Keeping secrets. Why do we? I see it in your eyes, I know the game, but I'll just flip my hair and walk the other way. I can take forever, teach you how to wait. Just a little taste, just a little taste. Won't you tell me something I wouldn't know? Make me wanna see you again before I go. I don't need a boyfriend to give me something.
So I have my wig on. Next I just gotta glue it and style it, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I am back with the final look. Here it is. I just wanted to do a simple fall look. I wanted to use somewhat fall colors. I want to use this fall looking hair. It's like summerish, but it still has, like, to me it says fall as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs me up, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you all. Bye.